Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A95, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Somewhere here you should be able to see the screen recording toggle. Now if you don't see it on either page, you might need to add it by clicking right here on these three dots and then selecting Edit Tiles and locating it somewhere below here. So for me it is at the last page. Click on the plus, this will get added, and from here just simply press on it, allow. It gives you overlay with options to choose what kind of audio gets recorded. Now by default it will be the device's audio. You can also add your microphone or both. You can close this. Also you can access the settings in here by clicking, or I guess holding the toggle. This will take you to the settings. Instead of tapping on it, you just hold it. And then we also have obviously the record button. So I'm gonna tap on it to start recording. And whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Once you're done, you can interact with this overlay right here and click on the check mark. This will stop the screen recording and automatically save it to your Photos application. Here we're gonna navigate to Library, Screenshots, and it's under Screenshots as you can see. And it's already playing back. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.